In today's video, I'll be breaking down why clients ignore brand guidelines and what you can actually do to stop it. Most clients aren't trying to disrespect your work. Often the guidelines feel too rigid or overwhelming. When people are unsure, they default to what feels familiar, even if it's off-brand. Designers understand the power of consistency, but clients often see repetition as boring. The truth is, consistency builds recognition. It's how a brand becomes memorable, not forgettable. When multiple people create content without clear ownership, brand drift is almost guaranteed. One person follows the rules, another hasn't read them, and suddenly the brand looks confused. If clients don't have the right tools, they'll improvise. Templates do more for brand consistency than rules ever will. Make it easy to stay on brand and people will. Sometimes guidelines get ignored because they're outdated. Businesses evolve, and when the brand system doesn't reflect reality, people adjust it themselves. Simplify your guidelines, create usable templates, nominate a brand gatekeeper, and keep your brand documents up to date. Consistency isn't about control, it's about clarity. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more design and branding tips.